Hello. Yeah, today's my topic is parallel algorithms. There are various PRAM models which are included in parallel algorithm. They are: first model is hypercube, next butterfly, fully connected, other networks, shared memory versus distributed memory, SIMD versus MIMD. Now we come to know about what is PRAM model. The PRAM model is parallel random access machine. All processors act in lockstep. Number of processors is not limited. All processors have local memory, one global memory accessible to all. Processors must read and write memory. A PRAM algorithm, every processor know its own index, usually indicated by variable I. Vector sum, read mi into x. This is a memory location into which we are writing a variable value. X equals to x plus y. Now this x is inserted into memory location ix. Now binary fan in. This is also another algorithm for parallel algorithms. Parallel addition in which initially we are taking a variable as 1. Now this step we move to 1 to log n. Read mi plus delta into x, total x plus total, write total into mi. Delta equals to delta into 2, and last is n4. Pointer jumping is another algorithm. Initialization of next I. If I equals to n, then write 0 into next I, else write I plus 1 into next I, and f. Calculate node depth I. If there is a left child, to 1 of his left child, from -1 to of left child. If there is no left child, calculate node depth 2. Calculate node depth 3. If there is a right child, from -1 of right child to -1 of right child. Now calculate node depth 3 if there is no right child. Exclusive read, exclusive write. These are the basic steps of PRAM computation model. Concurrent read, exclusive write, common read, common write. All common writes must have write the same thing. Highest priority processor wins contest. CRU is more powerful than IRO, and CRU is more powerful than CREW, which is also known as concurrent read and exclusive write. Finding next square array of processors indexed by ith and jth. Write true into a register variable I. Read x from a memory location I. Read y from a memory location j. If x is less than y, then write false into ri. Else write false into rjth index, and f. Now CRCW versus CRU. CRCW max runs in constant time. It max runs in L log n time. CRCW cannot be any better than log p faster than IRO. IRO versus CRU, finding roots of shortcomings pointer. IRO runs in log n of time, and IRO runs in log n time. Optimal parallel algorithm, the class of algorithms that run in theta of log n time using theta n ke power k processors. General Boolean functions cannot be computed any faster than theta log n. Theta log n is optimal for computing the sum of n integers. Now that's it. That is the basic PRAM computation models. If you want to take further information about what PRAM computation model, you can go and visit to my next slide, which I will upload as soon as possible.